Hi, welcome to 4Seller channel. This video will teach you how to set up inventory linkage function in 4Seller, open inventory synchronization in 4Seller, which can support the actual inventory of the warehouse to be updated to each online store in real time, and support the inventory synchronization of proprietary warehouse, FBA warehouse, and third-party warehouse to the store, effectively avoiding oversold. Step 1. How to linkage your proprietary warehouse in 4Seller. Step 1. Go to the setting page, find listing settings. After entering the listing settings page and turning on auto association and create it automatically, the listings synchronized to 4Seller will automatically be associated with products or create new products to associate with listings. Click Inventory Settings, create proprietary warehouse, input your warehouse information, and click Save. If your warehouse is 3PF warehouse, you can ignore this step. Click Inventory to enter the page of active products. Click Simple to create a product. You need to fill in the stock SKU, product's name of the product. Make sure that the filled-in stock SKU is consistent with the MSKU of the product, and the stock SKU and MSKU of the product can be associated automatically. And if you want to manually match your store SKU and stock SKU, you need to go to the listing page and match them manually. You can also choose to upload files to add your stock SKU in bulk. And after you create product, go to the inventory list page to add product inventory. Select the warehouse where the inventory is located. Select one or many of your stock SKU. The added inventory SKU will be displayed in the product information. On this page, you can select the location, enter the on-hand quantity and unit cost of the SKU, and click Done to successfully add inventory. Of course, you can also upload files to add products inventory in bulk. Step 2. Let me show you how to linkage your third-party warehouse in 4Seller. To add an FBA warehouse, you must first authorize the Amazon store in 4Seller. Enter the shop manage to connect your Amazon shop. Then enter the inventory settings page, find the 3PF warehouse, and click Create to add the FBA warehouse. Click on Inventory to enter the FBA page. Click on Sync Inventory to synchronize Amazon's inventory to 4Seller. Then click on Stock SKU Location. You can also match SKU of the product manually. For setting your warehouse inventory data, we can set the inventory synchronization function. Enter the stock movement page, click Inventory Sync, and choose the green button of Enable Inventory Sync. Page will jump into the process settings page. Before you turn on the inventory sync bottom, you need to turn shipping minus inventory option, then turn on the option of update stock to the marketplace from 4Seller automatically. On this page, you can perform the following operations. You can choose to use available stock or on-hand stock, set rule options about to be sold out. For example, you can choose convert to sold out, and to set a safety inventory, you can choose stores on each platform. 4Seller warehouse and platform warehouse can be matched because the inventory synchronization maps the system warehouse to the platform warehouse. The inventory synchronization will only change the quantity of the corresponding platform warehouse. Finally, click Save to save the settings of the inventory sync rules. For setting the inventory sync rules, you can view the sync records of inventory changes on the inventory sync page. Here, each row represents the latest synchronized record of inventory changes for a SKU. Each main account can push up to 30,000 times per day. If it exceeds 30,000 times, it will no longer be synchronized. It will be refreshed every other day. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video or want to experience more free functions in 4Seller, please subscribe our channel.